They didn't show you enough love.
Hi you guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jakima, and today I'll be doing a review on this hair. It says your beauty my duty. This is some hair that they sent me from Amazon, and I wanted to try it out on camera, give you guys my honest review. Like the box? What you give the box? Scale 1 to 10. 10. She gives this box a 10. It is good packaging. I did already open it, so I unsealed it, but it was sealed very nice and tight. And this is a headband wig. So when you open it, we got a headband that comes in here. You like this? We got a headband.
Does it got all my colors in it? I like.
What colors you like?
All of these colors.
She likes all of these colors. So far this is a 10. This is a cute little headband that comes with it. She gives it a 10. Good. So this is the hair. It looks good. It's in
one of these.
Yes, and we got a wig cap that came with it. I also got a letter that came in here. I think this is it. So in this letter, it says, "Dear sweetie, congratulations. We randomly selected some of our lucky customers to have a chance to choose a special offer for free. 1-piece 100% human hair machine wig, 10 inches, or a $20 refund. Leave a review on Amazon with pictures, then you can contact us." And it has all of their contact information. So that was cute. I like it. So far so good. I'm feeling the company. Let's see. Let's take it out for this. Okay.
That's how you look good.
So this is pretty. This is supposed to be 18 inches. I'm not really seeing 18 inches, but it is really pretty. You want to feel it?
It feels soft.
It feels soft. So let's see. Let's see if we get any shedding. No shedding. So that's good. This is really pretty. It has a slight smell. You want to smell it? So it's not bad. It's okay.
It's okay to me.
Yeah. So this is what it looks like in the inside. I do think that it's big head friendly if you have a big head. It has, let's see, it has 3 combs at the top, and then you got 1 at the bottom. So you got plenty of combs. There is some threading coming out of this, which is, you know, you can just cut that off, but I do want to say that there is a few pieces of thread. This is like the 5th one that I've seen. So yeah, it's kind of like all over the place. It's a lot of different threads that are just hanging off, so I'm not too pleased with that. But this wig is 100% human hair, 18 inch, and this is the water wave. So yeah, I guess we'll try it on and see. Let's take this off.
I can take it off.
Okay, there we go. You wanna hold that? Okay, so let's see the wig cap. So normally when I get wigs, it's usually a brown wig cap. This is a netted. I can open anything today. This is a netted one, which
now
is
it's like
fine.
my nails.
You bought your nails?
I'm now. It feels like it is.
That's good. Okay, so this is actually, this is called a wig liner. So it has a hole at the top and a hole at the bottom. So I guess it just goes around your head. I mean, I don't know.
Let me see.
how to wear this. I usually get an actual cap. This is not an actual cap, as you can see, but we're gonna try it on. And
I don't have a hole.
yeah, hers don't look like it's like this, right? So I don't know, but we're gonna try it out, see what it's like. Y'all clearly just seen me open the package and there's a big ass hole at the top, so maybe we're just gonna try it on. So let's,
I don't see no hole on those.
I don't either, so let's try to put this on.
It's a campy on.
All right,
Let's see.
so okay, it's holding it down. I got a big bun in the back of my head and it's holding that down. And
I
pretty.
can put that one in there.
So it's holding it down. It's doing what it's supposed to do. It's just not a cap that I'm used to. All right.
Yeah,
let's see.
because I put mine on good
You do?
every day at night.
Yep. Okay, so let's see.
Last
Okay. Let's pull it up.
It's real soft.
It is really soft.
Real soft.
Okay. So I like it.
I like it too. It look good.
I look good. Okay.
Now it's just
So-
gotta put that on. In your
This
head.
is like fresh out the pack. This hair is really soft, really soft. I feel like I could do so much with it. It's giving me fresh out of my scalp. This looks like it could be my hair. Like, I like
Yeah.
this. Does it look like it could be my hair?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is looking like it could be my hair. It's really cute. Yeah, I think we'll do the water test too. I like it. Let's check out the headband. Let's see how the headband looks.
It look good.
That is pretty. What do you think?
Yeah. Like this much. To all love it.
You give it a 10?
Yeah.
Okay.
All
So
love
we're
it.
giving this a 10. I'm gonna
And
sit
I
up.
like your eyebrows.
You like my eyebrows? Okay, thank you. I'm gonna sit up so y'all can see this. So this is the length. It's not that long, but you
It's
know,
like here.
it's about like right here. And then if I wet it, it'll probably come down a little bit more. So maybe we'll put a little bit of water on it to see how that'll look. But so far it doesn't even, to me, it doesn't even look like it needs any water. It don't like it need anything to it. I would honestly wear it just like this. And like I said, I'm not seeing any shedding. I'm not seeing anything. This is really soft, really pretty. So for me, I would definitely give this wig a 10. This
Yeah,
is
a
a
10.
10.
All of it. 10.
All of it a 10. I definitely give it a 10. It's not thin. It's not too thick. It kind of giving me more like of a natural type of look. So I really enjoy this. And if you don't have nothing to do to your hair, you know, you can hurry up, pop this on, and go right out the door. So
The too.
yep. So I'm really feeling this hair. So I definitely give this a 10. I'm super duper excited about this channel, you guys. This is my first video on this channel, but I do have another channel, me and my fiance. So on this channel, it'll be more of like my reviews and stuff like that. So yeah. Zora, you want to tell me who you are? You want to tell me your name? What's your name?
So,
Her name's Zora. She's my little sister. So we are super excited. We're gonna do another one. You wanna do another one? We're gonna do another review too together. So yeah, I like
the
it.
soft and like this.
I don't know. I mean, I feel like I'm about to go somewhere like somebody's boss, Susie. Didn't I say don't do that? And this is what this is giving me. This is giving me somebody's boss.
And lick the bell.
Yep. Subscribe and click the bell. Y'all heard what she said. Subscribe and click the bell. Make sure y'all continue to come back. I will do as many reviews as I possibly can. And yeah.
And put a thumbs up.
And put a thumbs up.